Brian, please.
Are we going to pretend like nothing happened last night?
Can you reduce your voice? No one is pretending here.
So why are you still wearing this?
You expect me to throw up my engagement because of a one-night fling?
Fling?
Yes. Look, Brian. Last night happened, and it shouldn't have. But this is adulthood. We don't make decisions spontaneously.
I can't believe what you're saying. Onome, you used me.
What?
Yes.
You showed up at my doorstep.
And you grabbed the opportunity to quickly enjoy what you've been missing.
How dare you? How dare you disrespect me like that?
Seeing how passionate you were. Seeing how pleasurable it was for you. How you were screaming my name when I was giving you head. Jumping on me like one honey rabbit. It's obvious your old cargo fiancé is not up to the task. And I won't have you knocking at my door in the next few months. You know why? Because I don't do side checks.
Are you stupid? Get out! Get out! You want me to kick you out? Get out! Get the fuck out of my office! Get out! Don't listen. What is your problem? Why would you scare me like that?
You better reduce your voice before you expose yourself. Good morning, Barrister Dan.
Is something wrong with you? Why are you doing this now?
Madam, why didn't you sleep at night? I'm asking you.
I'm tired. I'm tired. Nicole, I had a terrible dream.
Don't tell me it's about your mother again.
Of course it's about her. That woman traumatized me. Imagine standing in the middle of church to yell how she's going to donate me to the convent if I do not get married this year.
What if it's your sign for you to go pay her a visit? It's been 5 months you saw her last.
What? I beg. 4 months. Stop exaggerating. Besides, you know why I'm avoiding her.
But your mother doesn't mean any harm.
Oh, really? My mother doesn't mean any harm. You're saying this because you're not her daughter. And you cannot relate, of course. See, you're lucky yourself. You don't have a mother that nags you for anything or about anything. You're very lucky.
I understand though that your mother can nag her way into government.
I don't understand. You get 2 mouths. You were just supporting her now.
But notwithstanding, you still have to go pay your parents a visit.
Madam, did you come here to work or you came to talk about my parents? Which one?
That's fine. I rest my case.
You better rest your case, I beg. Boss, I can't sleep in this office. I'm tired, though.
Yeah, I should go back to
This thing is not even entering my head as I'm trying to work on it. It's not... Please, let me just take a nap. Watch for me,
Watch what? My friend, will you get up and do your work? I'm tired.
Jesus. Mom, you scared me. What are you doing here?
This is the greeting I deserve when you almost smashed that thing on my head.
Sorry, Mom. I was scared. Good evening.
You know how lonely you can be when you hear little footsteps like this. The first thing you do is to carry a weapon.
Mom, anyone could have reacted the same way. Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Have you been picking your calls? Have you been picking your calls?
I've been busy. Work has been crazy and I've not had the time to pick or return calls.
It's work. Work. When you immerse yourself so much in the world of men, you forget that you're a woman.
Mommy, please, don't start, I beg.
Look at you. You're living like a bachelor. I did not even find a pinch of salt in this your kitchen, not to talk of oil. No, I did not. All I saw is biscuits, different kinds of rubbish things. Now tell me, is this how you're going to carry healthy babies?
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're here to talk about babies after all this time?
Yes, we must talk about it. If you had your own children, then you will understand how wicked it can be for a daughter to abandon her parents for 8 months.
4 months, Mom. Just 4 months, not 8.
So 4 months is not long enough. So it's not long enough. Okay. I have told your father, if you do not come by the weekend, then do not step this your foot at my funeral.
Mom, God forbid you will not die.
I have said it.
Why are you talking about funeral? God, Mom, you can be so dramatic. Just now, you're talking about death. Better go. Nobody's dying anytime soon.
You think she's gonna come?
If she likes, let her come. If she likes, let her not come. Me, I'm going to sit jejely and eat my delicious egusi soup. I don't have her time.
You and this your daughter's drama. With all your toughness, you still had the time to prepare her delicious food.
Yeah. Our Royal Highness decided to grace us with her presence.
Good evening, Daddy. I've missed you so much.
Oh, I've missed you too, darling. Oh, you ran away and left us here alone?
Dad, I didn't run away. I just needed to get my life back on track after the breakup.
You mean the breakup with Ben that just got married?
Married?
Yes. It's on his Facebook page.
Why are you still friends with him on Facebook?
I'm not the one he broke up with, am I?
Well, left to me, I would say he's still married.
Yeah, he got married.
Didn't he say, it's not his life's goal?
Same thing I'm stuck on.
When a woman cannot keep her man, he tries to make excuses on how to leave her. That's how stupid they sound.
What?
Yes. If you're not busy chasing your career so seriously, maybe you'll have that time to convince him that you're a wife material.
Convince?
Yes.
What did I not do to convince him? Mom, what did you not make me do to impress him? You pushed me. I slaved away at work and handed him my salary just to impress him. After the breakup, I had to start afresh. And it's still my fault?
Wait, you did what?
I lost my appetite. You need to exercise yourself.
Oh, no, man. What kind of a woman blames and scolds her daughter who is heavy-hearted? Huh? Your daughter is just healing from heartbreak. She needs a shoulder to lean on. She needs you to give her peace.
There will not be any peace for a girl that is above 30. She cannot have any peace in her father's house again. No!
This is not about getting married or not getting married. When she was about to go into the higher institution, you insisted that she has to take courses that will make her study law. And after that, she got in, and then you decided that she has to practice a particular law even when she did well in law. Today, she has a good job, and you are not happy about it. It's now marriage. What do you want from her?
I want her to stop being a disgrace. I want her to stop being a disgrace. She should use her brain like every other girl. There's time for everything, Tega. A time to be educated and a time to settle down and have a family. Every woman that cannot balance everything is a great failure. A complete and total failure.
Hey, Daddy.
Good morning, my darling daughter. How are you doing today? I hope you're fine. Your line has not been reachable since yesterday you left the house.
Dad, I'm sorry I ruined dinner.
No, you did not ruin any dinner. It breaks my heart to see you like that. You know, I've really imagined how well or how much you are coping with all of this.
I don't know why she hates me so much.
Come on, darling. She does not hate you.
So why does her actions prove otherwise?
Darling, I need you to know she does not hate you. Your mother is just an archaic woman who is acting out her olden days method. All right, see. You must not bend over for any man. Oh yes, you must not bend over for any man, okay? You are precious, and soon enough, a worthy man will come along who recognizes the beauty, the goodness in you, okay?
You see why I love you, Daddy? I love you so much.
Yeah, I love you till forever.
Yeah. But I have to get back to work. I will talk to you soon.
Okay. Bye.
All right. Bye.
I'm glad you made it back in one piece.
You're ugly boy. See how you do slow because of gossip.
No, stop it. So, how did it go?
As expected. Chaotic. But the good thing is my dad was there as compensation.
I told you they missed you.
They did not miss me. It was just my dad that missed me.
But they are couple, for Christ's sake.
Please.
Both of them are one. Good morning, Pastor Daniel.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, ladies. Good morning. How are you?
Dope.
So, how you doing, Nicole?
Dope. Yeah.
You and this your Jersey English.
You know, age is just a number. In my head, actually, I and Suzanne are twins, born in different times.
So, how is she?
She's okay. And then, thank you so much for the back-to-school gift you sent to us. She sends her thanks.
Oh. So, how is the case with Mrs. Brown?
Finally, someone sees me. Well, she actually signed a prenup.
Ouch.
Yep.
So who is this handsome young man?
Oh. That's why I'm here. As a matter of fact, this is Barrister Brian. Barrister Brian is going to work with you closely, and you will be supervising him.
Who? Me?
I'm sorry, it's a short notice. It actually skipped my mind, but until he came this morning.
It's fine, sir. It's nothing I can't handle. Hi, Barrister Brian.
Yeah, hello. Good morning, Mars. Morning, sir.
Welcome to Diamond Co. It's nice having you here.
It's a pleasure. I look forward to learning a thing or two from this company.
When is he starting work?
Well, he will be starting on Monday.
Okay.
Yes.
See you Monday then, Mr. Brian.
See you on Monday.
Well, Mr. Brian's desk will be by the side of the secretary.
Okay, sir.
And that will be all for today.
Okay. Thank you,
Take care of
Barrister.
yourself.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
What is your problem? Why did you have to call him handsome?
Oh my goodness, just stop it. Did you see the guy's height? He's such a cute boy.
You're embarrassing.
Why?
Goodness.
I would have said pretty, but he's just a guy.
Okay, the guy is just there. There's nothing handsome.
I see
about
myself really being cool with him.
Cool with him.
Yeah.
Already. Okay. That's your business anyways.
Hello, Ma. You sent for me?
Yes, please. Have you had lunch?
Yes, Ma.
1 second, please. Okay. I need you to give this file to Barrister Daniel. Tell him I already sent something to his email.
Okay. Ma, please, I found something on Mrs. Brown's case that could change the course of this thing you're working on.
What's that?
Okay, let me show you, Ma.
Let me just add it. Wow! She can win this case after all.
Hopefully, Ma.
My goodness, this is impressive.
Thank you.
How did you come up with this?
Ma, it took me 2 sleepless nights.
No, this is very impressive for your first day at work.
Thank you.
I'm not used to seeing young lawyers taking initiatives like this.
It's all because I work with an efficient boss.
Well done.
Thank you.
You may leave.
Thank you.
Ooh. If I knew he did this type of work, I would have looked at this file a long time ago. Wow. What a great day to be alive.
Baby girl.
Give that to me.
My goodness, I still want more.
No.
Please. Thank you.
Wrestling?
Of course. You know, no negotiations on that.
I don't even know between you and I who likes wrestling more.
I think I
No,
do.
I think I do.
No,
I actually do.
No.
Uh,
I disagree. Well.
okay. One more.
Well. Onoma, do you think I shouldn't be worried about something?
Worried about what?
You just represented me in a PTA meeting because my daughter couldn't have me come.
Yeah, the PTA meeting was good. I've told you countless times that Susan is a growing child. We just need to be there to put her in the right direction, that's all.
No complaints from her teachers?
Not at all. Her grades are fantastic. But...
But what?
Okay. Why don't you allow Barrister Daniel more access to her?
Please. You won't get me into trouble, right?
What are you talking about? What trouble? Huh?
Look.
You and I know that Barrister Daniel likes her very much. He's practically obsessed with her and she's fond of him.
But for how long?
What do you mean for how long?
My daughter isn't over her dad abandoning her. And now you want him to come into her life. Then what happens if he decides to move on to
Come on, move on to where? You and I know Barrister Daniel isn't going anywhere. He's smitten by you. He can't even keep a straight face when talking to you. He likes you a lot.
Stop assuming.
Assuming?
Do you know how reckless I can be?
exactly my point. Like, what happened to the carefree Nicole?
I don't want to hurt my daughter.
Or you don't want to hurt yourself? Which is it? Every time you keep using your daughter as an excuse, trust me, Susan will not be happy that you're giving up your happiness because of her. You know this.
It's okay. Are you coming over this weekend?
There you go again, changing the topic. It's fine. And no, I'm not coming over this weekend. I have dinner to attend with my family.
Oh, not again.
Story of my life. But the good thing is, they say an old family friend is coming over. I don't even remember the person, but I guess the topic of conversation will not be centered around my messed up life.
Of course not. Onome, your life is not messed up. Your mother is just being a lot and it's not your fault.
Oh, Shay. You know, if you continue like this, I just might give you the award for the best friend in the world.
Of the year?
Yes.
I know, right?
Oh my God. Wait, is this Sasha? Ooh!
Yeah.
That's my girl. That's my girl!
Whoa!
Sasha!
Wow.
God, I'm obsessed with Sasha. Give it! That's what I'm talking about. Oh! Call it. Give.
Oh, man. You came early.
Hey, Daddy.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Wow, you're helping your mom. Seems there is some progress now.
In my wildest dream.
Have you seen a CCK?
Nope. When I came in, I didn't see anybody, so I decided to set the table.
Maybe she's dressing up.
Or probably avoiding me.
Come on, that's not true. Let me check on it.
Okay. God help me through today. Perfect.
Nice. So, Onome, what do you do for fun? I mean, when you're not dining with the family.
Aha. I see what you did there.
Well, I love to watch wrestling.
I love wrestling too. In fact, that's practically the only thing I watch on TV.
Are you serious? So do you like Sasha Banks?
Like her? I love her.
Oh my goodness, I can practically tell you everything about her. I'm obsessed.
Efe,
Yes, ma'am.
you don't have any ring on your finger.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not married?
Actually, I was. She got pregnant for another man and decided to start a family with her. So we got divorced.
Jesus Christ. And you let her go?
Ma, those people over there think differently. I had to let her go.
I'm so sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay. I'm healing.
So, are you thinking of marrying a Nigerian woman?
Mom, I think it's best for him to heal first. Efe, are you seeing a therapist?
Actually, I want to start a family here. I'm ready. You see, I'm 38 years old. I want to have my first kid by 40.
You're very calculative.
Thank you.
As he should be. You see, a man has to balance his priorities in life well.
Oh, very
That's
well,
true.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And I know and I believe you're going to be a very good influence on Onome.
I'm sure we are getting along well, considering that which we have in common. Yeah. Anyway, the food is sumptuous.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. May I?
Sure.
What are you doing here all alone?
You mean apart from the fact that this is my house and I can be anywhere I want to be at any point in time?
Come on, Onome. I mean, it's boring in there without you.
Well, I needed some air. Besides, this used to be my getaway spot when I was a kid to escape my mom's scolding.
Mothers and their wahala, you would say. I'm sure you can't wait to become a mother yourself and disturb your own kids.
Oh, are you still here?
Waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yeah, I was hoping we could have dinner sometime, say next week.
I'm sorry, I can't. I'm not about to be your project Nigerian wife's case and help you get a child before you clock 40.
What? Nigerian project case? Come on, Onome. Onome, you're really beautiful. And we both love wrestling. I just wanted to buy us more time so we could talk about things we may have in common.
That was smooth. Are you saying this is not about you finding a wife?
Not at all.
Okay then, it's a date.
Oh, thank you. I want your number though, so you can send the details in here.
All right. Here you go.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I'll be on my way now before it becomes late.
All
I'll
right.
see you tomorrow.
Have a great day.
No hug?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
But if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. And if you fight, yeah, I could fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. Against all odds, yeah, if you fight, yeah, I could fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. Yeah, if you fight, yeah, I could fight with you. Yeah. If you fight, yeah, I could fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. Yeah, if you fight, yeah, I could fight with you. Yeah. Against all odds, yeah, nah, nah. Oh, baby, you were all that I was and need. Oh, baby, you were all that I was and need. Yeah, baby, you were all that I want and need. Oh, baby, you were all that I want. So everywhere you go, everything you do, yeah, I could stay with you. Even if you go south, you
Maybe I was stuck at work.
I don't know if you remember, but I work too.
Come on. You know I just started my firm in Nigeria. There's so much work we are doing at the moment.
I've been waiting for over 2 hours.
Come on, Onome. I said I'm busy and I'm sorry. Please. Waiter. Yeah, good evening. Let me have this. Oh, come on. She'll have the same thing too. Ah, come on. You will love it. The most expensive on the menu. So, how was work? Let me guess. You didn't have so much to do considering how you got here early.
Work was fine.
Oh.
Thank you.
Nice. Have you had anything to drink?
No. I was waiting for you.
I know. As I said, I was stuck at work.
Can you imagine the audacity? This man comes 1 hour late and he proceeds to order food for me without asking what I wanted first.
Why would he even do that?
No, it's not even funny. Do you know that he thinks our work here is child's play? Yeah, like we're just playing. This man is a big red flag.
That one don't pass red flag. Now red canopy. Who does that?
Mama, I'm tired, I beg. A new crush?
You wish. It's actually my flight tickets. Barrister Dana just emailed it to me.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I can't believe we have a few weeks to enjoy your company before you jet off.
Honestly.
How long is the trial going to last?
Well, let's hope it doesn't last more than a month or two.
That's a long time.
So I can come back before Suzanne's holiday is over, you know.
Wow.
I don't know why these people can't just sue in their jurisdiction. Just be stressing lawyers up and down.
You know what I'm wondering?
What's that?
Why Barrister Daniel choose you to go on this?
Please don't go there. No, Anoma, please don't.
This man knows that traveling is your thing. Yes, and this is his non-verbal way of showing you that he knows these keen details about you.
Please, don't make this look more complicated than it is, I beg. He's only feeling for me because he knows Suzanne will be at my mom's during this long vacation. That's all.
Okay. If that's what you say to make yourself sleep good at night, then carry on. But one day, everything will be in the open.
You're not serious?
My friend. I love a girl, my friend. Are you sure?
Okay. I heard you've been cracking cases. You mind cracking this one? This man wants to kill me.
Onome has been talking about me.
So it's no longer Ma, it's now Onome.
Surprisingly, she gave me the go-ahead today to call her Onome.
Wow. I see you both are getting along. She might not know it, but she's quite conservative.
Yeah. She's very intelligent and, she can have me, and the other junior colleagues, and then she'll still be sorting all the cases herself. Workaholic.
I know, right? Someone has really been observant here. Was that why I didn't see you at lunch?
Yes. Onome tried bribing me with lunch today and doesn't make sense. If she realizes that she has offended me, let her apologize properly. The other day she said I didn't send the mail. She checked my system and I actually did. Yesterday, she said I was pressing my phone. I was spending too much time on the phone. And I was just sorting for cases, just like you saw me doing. So you're angry with her now? No, I'm not angry with her. Let her just apologize properly. Moreover, bribery is against our work ethics. So.
My goodness, Onome has really met her match. So you turned her down because of it?
Yes, I did.
Wow. I would give $1 million just to see her face.
Trust her. She handled it like a professional.
I know, right?
And just give me 45 minutes. I have checked this, so it's no problem.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, Nicole.
I heard someone is going to see a movie and I'm clearly not invited.
Onome told you that?
Was it supposed to be a secret?
No, actually. But, securing a date with someone like Onome is like winning the visa lottery.
So it's a date?
See, I admire Onome a lot. And she's very smart, she's elegant, she's beautiful, she's charming, she's...
You like her?
Like a boss.
Brad, please.
What is wrong? Nicole, I like her like she's a good boss. Oh, God.
Thanks for coming.
My mom said...
I'm sorry for using such cheap trips on you. I didn't know what else to do since you weren't taking my calls or replying your texts.
I was busy.
Busy?
You know, running a real estate company isn't the only real job out there, right? In case you forgot, I am a lawyer. Lawyer, Efe.
Come on, Onome. We are not fighting now. I mean, we're talking. Okay, it's fine. Tell me all about it. Everything that is stressful. I mean, everything. Onome, we are here already, aren't we?
Just move back a bit.
Please, let's make this moment worth the while. I know you're just honoring your mom by being here, and I appreciate it.
Well, my problem is finishing work late and still having to meet Lagos traffic. I'll still come back late and somehow be expected to miraculously resume work early in the morning. It's crazy.
Actually, we all can relate.
Don't even get me started with this NEPA issue. There is no light, fuel is expensive, and even if you have the money to buy fuel, you can't even find it. I don't understand this country. I'm just exhausted at this point.
In fact, the country is in a mess. You see, that's why there needs to be a man in the life of every woman.
Sorry?
Yeah, I mean, with a husband, you need not to worry your head about fear and all that. You see, I won't let my lady worry her pretty head over all those things. Yeah? So that's why we are together, don't you think? Oh, no.
Yes, like I said, make sure you always take your drugs. Yes. I also sent a dispatch rider to get you those books that are helpful. And guess what? I also sent a plate of pepper soup in the cooler. Yes. And please, take care of yourself for me and the baby. Don't worry, I'll come visiting soon, okay? Cheer up, Joe. Yes, I'll come. All right? Okay, darling.
Mom? Who was that?
Darling, it's a bosse.
A bosse? Wait, you still speak to a bosse?
Yeah. Bosse has made me very proud.
You guys are really friendly.
Yeah. You see, Bosse has made me very proud. Anyway, Bosse might be your age mate, but she just had her first child. I pray that one day...
Mom, please,
Let me finish. I pray that one day, both of us will have this kind of conversation.
Mom, I got a job offer.
Where?
Dan & Co law firm.
Dan & Co? How about your current job?
Mom, you know how much I complained about that place.
Your current job does not give you time for anyone. Now you want to work in a bigger firm, and that means you won't even have time for yourself.
Where are you going with this?
You know where I'm going. When are you going to settle down and have your own family?
Mom, can you ever be satisfied? You complained about my current job. I got another job and now you're still complaining. What exactly do you want me to do?
I complain because you do not have any serious relationship. You do not have any form of relationship. I did not say, go and get one that will kill you. I didn't say that.
You can never be satisfied, can you?
But it's not my fault. Is it my fault? Is it my fault that you're unserious and you cannot do anything right? You are 28 and you don't even have a serious relationship.
I am 28, not 35. About that job, I'm keeping it, and there is nothing you can do about it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And you're working out on me?
Watch me.
Oh, no, man. You're working out on me. We have not finished this conversation. You can't work out on me. You will come back and meet me here. Okay.
Happy birthday to you, sweetheart.
You, best friend in the mud, like it's my birthday and you're not even here with me.
I'm so sorry, my love. I'll definitely come over after Susan's date with Daniel.
Aww, God, when no.
Shut up, Joe. I actually sent you a gift.
Oh, really? What gift?
I guess my gift is here.
Wow. Okay.
I'll speak to you later, okay?
Thank you, darling. Yeah. Come in, the door is open.
Happy birthday.
Brian.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, wow. I see Nicole sent you with a box of pizza.
Yeah. Since she couldn't come, I was like, let me just fill the gap for her.
Yeah. Thank you.
I must confess, you have a really nice space here.
Thank you.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, I have a little surprise for you.
Oh, what surprise?
Can I have your phone, please?
My phone?
Yeah.
What do you need my phone for?
Wait for it.
Okay, let me unlock it for you. Here you go.
Okay, I've actually done it. I just want to show you.
Okay.
Here you go. A 1-year premium subscription on your favorite platform. So you can binge watch all your movies or your shows on the go.
What?
Yeah.
Brian, this is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
I'm sorry. I just got carried away.
It's okay.
I should get you something to eat.
Okay.
Yes, my mom sent this fried rice, and
Oh.
trust me, her fried rice is legendary.
Yeah, good idea. Do you know what is going to slap with that rice?
A glass of cold wine and a good show.
You bloody mind reader. How did you get that, you witch?
All right, I'll get the wine.
Okay.
You get the show.
All right, no problem.
What? Are you okay?
Yes, it's nothing. It's
Wait,
just.
no, don't move, don't move. Just wait. Come. Easy, easy. Okay.
Yeah, it's nothing. You know, I could have handled this myself, right?
I know. But then I can't forgive myself, knowing that I was here when this happened. So, allow me.
Why does it matter so much to you?
Because I know you don't joke with your looks. And those your heels, how you wear them in the office. Very elegant. And I know you don't want anything to reduce your steez. So, just allow me. Thank you. And, 1 minute. Come in.
Where are you going to?
Oh, I was going to clean up the mess in the kitchen.
Don't worry about it. We can always do that later.
No, it's fine.
You're already making me feel like a terrible host.
I can't do it. Come on.
Hey. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Where's the remote? Okay. Looks like we have company. I was just about to put on the show. I'm coming. Can I get it though?
Sure. I'm wondering who that.
I'm coming.
Could be.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Who are you?
Where is Onome?
Who are you?
Happy birthday, my darling. Your mom said you wouldn't do anything. But I guess you changed your mind. Don't you think your mother would feel bad if I was left out of the party? Who is he?
This is Brian, my supervisor at work. Brian, this is Afe, my friend.
Actually, we are more than friends. We've come a long way, and now we are even more than friends. My darling, a check of 1 million naira. Yeah. I guess Brian came to give his well wishes and was about to leave.
No. Brian and I were about to have lunch. You can join us if you
Definitely. I'm in.
Actually, I have work to do in the office. Happy birthday once again, boss.
Let's make this moment worth the while. Shall we head to the dining?
So, this woman actually wants a divorce. And her husband is pulling many strings, making things difficult for us.
Sir, what we have to do here is clear. I believe Brian can handle this case without supervision.
Brian?
Yes. Brian is very efficient. In fact, more efficient than many experienced lawyers. At the end of the day, the client will be happy.
Well, in that case, you have to ensure that everything goes smoothly.
You have nothing to worry about.
And, Nicole, I upgraded your flight to first class.
Sir?
Yes, because you deserve a comfortable flight. The job is going to be cumbersome.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I will see you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
God, bueno. I love you. Look at you. My first class girl.
Godwin, God already answered that question on your birthday.
Ooh, it seems like you know what happened.
Yes. I encouraged him to, well.
You encouraged him. Encouraged him to do what?
Hold on. You mean Brian didn't confess his feelings?
What feelings? What are you talking about?
What exactly happened on your birthday?
Brian came to my house with a box of pizza. We were about to watch a movie, cut my cake and eat. Then Ife showed up.
No wonder.
He said, we are more than just friends. Can you imagine that? Do you even know what that means?
You're in a situationship.
A situationship with who? I go on a date with this guy 2 times and he thinks we're more than just friends. Look, that guy is too forward for my liking.
Well, have you considered Brian yet?
Excuse you? What Brian are you talking about?
Which other Brian do you know?
You're sick. But you want me to consider my supervisee, who probably has a girlfriend and doesn't see me like that. And And for your information, I'm older than him.
Oh, please, come off that conservative horse of yours, madam. Like I always say, age is just a number. The only excuse you give right now that will make sense to me is if you do not have feelings for him.
For crying out loud, Nicole, I am his boss.
And bosses do not have blood running through their veins. My goodness, you were running your mouth pretty fast the other time, urging me to give myself a chance. So where did the advice go to?
Well, not everyone is as spontaneous as you are. Besides, what will people
say? You're sounding like your mother right now. Because
my mother's words, they echo in my head. That a woman's worth is only in a marriage. You'll be left behind, yes, she said. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. Yeah, your clock is ticking right now.
What are you doing here? I came here to get lunch. What are you doing here? Are you waiting for someone?
I guess I just got stood up. It's quite embarrassing, I know.
It's embarrassing for him, okay? Not you. Meanwhile, can I get you lunch? And then we go back to the office.
I think I'll prefer to order takeout and eat at the office.
Are you scared of him coming to meet you here?
I'm sure he will not meet us here. We'll be gone before he comes.
Okay.
So, what's next for you after service?
After service?
Mm-hmm.
It's to get a job.
To get a job? I don't think there'll be a need for that because the company is going to retain you. Remember, what matters is my report.
Okay, but I don't plan on working with you guys.
I don't understand.
I'm here for something.
What is that?
The recommendation.
Oh. Okay. Smart move.
Have you heard of Y&C?
Yes, I think that's the law firm in Ikoyi.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, absolutely. It's owned by one of my role models in this profession, And I heard from someone there, one of the workers, that if you have a recommendation from a company like ours, it gives you this edge over others. So that's why I'm here.
In other words, you're using us.
No,
right?
Absolutely no. I'm not using. So the truth is what you know. Our company majors in family and property law, and I am a political matters specialist. So
don't mind me. I understand. I'll just pull in your legs.
So let's hope the report from you comes out good.
Is this you trying to bribe me?
No, I'm not bribing you. So, Onome, you have an amazing personality. And then you're someone who would not, just act on impulse. You would do something because you want to do it.
Who taught you how to be smooth with words?
So, I'm just addicted to honesty. And thank you for sharing this table with me today. I'm so honored.
You're welcome.
Are you ready to go?
Sure.
Okay.
It's only in a marriage. You'll be left behind, yes, she said. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. Yeah, your clock is ticking right now. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. She's got me searching, looking for love.
Onome, you've not taken your tea.
I'm tired, Mom.
Oh, goodness. So I didn't even know you were not feeling fine.
Mom, I just told you that I'm better. You didn't even have to come.
Why won't I come when I hear my daughter is not feeling fine?
Mommy, I am fine. Anyways, thanks for coming.
Onome.
Yes, Mom.
Didn't you notice any symptoms? Oh, wait. Are you? Wait.
What?
Have you and Ife been...
What? No!
Please, why would you think of a thing like that? I'm not sleeping with any man, let alone Efe.
You don't have to shout.
You
don't have to shout. Okay? See, Onome.
Ha!
I am your mother. And I'll voluntarily go 6 feet under before I wish you bad. Listen to me. Efe loves you. Okay? See, he wants you. At least he's making an effort. See, we do not have luxury of time, and he seems to understand that assignment.
Mom, so because of time, you want me to settle? Huh? You want me to settle for a man that stands me up on every given opportunity? A man that places others for me without caring about what I want? Someone who's not caring, who's not kind, who doesn't even know how to treat...
Fairy tales are not real. They are not. Wait. Oh, you think your father was this sweet when I married him? Nah. You see, when you want a perfect man to come out in that perfect picture you desire, you have to keep molding and molding and molding that person to become what you want. Okay? Good things don't come easy.
Okay, I've heard you.
Listen, you are my daughter and I know you are pretty and you know that. And I'm sure you believe you have choices. Well, Efe is the most qualified of them all. Why don't you just give him a chance? Well, let me tell you, don't be deceived by this generation. When you pass your prime, you'll be like an expired milk. Yes. You know why? Because no man will look at you. Nobody will even want to see your face. While those men will be fresher and fresher, and there will still be something and very hot in the market. Let me tell you something. You're my daughter. And you have my smartness. Why don't you play your cards well? Oh no, may play your cards well.
Okay, Mom. I've heard you.
One more thing. You don't have to neglect your health. Let me tell you, if you die today, you see that law firm? It will continue.
Yes, Ma.
So you don't have to kill yourself for them.
Okay, Ma. I've heard you.
It's okay. It's okay. So I have to start going.
Yes, please.
But I made your food.
Thank you.
Are you sure you'll be fine, or should I call a fit?
Mom!
It's okay.
I'm fine. I'm good.
It's okay. I've heard. I have to.
Bye-bye.
Please, do take care of yourself for me.
Mom, I'm fine. Yes, please. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye. I'm good. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for cooking, but please leave. Thank you, Mommy. Just go.
I should go?
Yes.
With this face? If you want me to go, you have to cheer up and wipe out this rubbish I'm saying on your face. What? You have to smile. Yes. Otherwise, I will stay here.
Smiling. Go.
That's my honor, man. Smile very well. Keep smiling till I leave.
Yes,
okay?
please. As I'm smiling, be leaving. Thank you.
Are you pushing me out? Keep smiling. Oh, you want me to stay back?
No, I'm smiling now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, man.
Yes, Mama. Bye. Oh, Jesus. Goodness.
Hi, Onome.
Fine.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? And why are you here?
I'm fine. And why do you look like the most beautiful sick woman ever?
Oh, please. Have a seat.
Thank you. And I'm serious. It looks like the sickness is adding to your beauty. No, because everyone in the office was just looking boring today.
Wow. I wish they can hear you say this.
Don't expose my secret, please. I don't have another job. But Onome, for real, how are you? How are you feeling?
Well, I am doing better. As you can see, I tried so hard not to look sick. I will just go get you something to...
No. No. You're the one who should be taken care of. I mean, you deserve the pampering. So, with your permission, can I go to the kitchen and make you something to eat?
I don't understand. You cook?
Yes. That's the least I can do for someone in this condition.
What condition are you talking about? I told you I'm fine. Anyways, that's sweet. Unfortunately, my mom beat you to it already.
Oh, mommy. The best fried rice cook ever.
Exactly.
But seeing how close you guys are now,
Yeah.
why do I feel like you had a rough time starting off with her? I mean, that's how strict moms are.
Nicole told you that?
No. Wait, am I right? I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean to remind you of your past. But just that I've had my fair share.
It's fine. I'm not offended at all.
Are you sure?
It's just that every time we spend time together, I feel there is a
connection. I feel it too. And I don't mean to disrespect your relationship, okay? It's just that, What's wrong?
The drugs I'm taking is making me feel drowsy and
sorry, I'm coming.
Suddenly cold.
Sorry. Sorry. So sorry. Sorry. Sorry, okay, sorry. I should let you rest, okay? I should be on my way. Just take care of yourself, okay? Bye.
Right?
What?
I'm not in a relationship.
The smell that I replied to it.
Hey.
Hi, Onome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Feels good to have you back to work.
You're invading Nicole's space now?
No. Nicole actually told me to occupy her space while she's away.
It's okay. I just wanted to say thank you for yesterday.
Onome, I should be the one saying thank you for letting me spend some time with you. Yeah.
About this. You don't realize I am your supervisor, right?
Doesn't change anything.
And the age difference?
I don't care. I mean, look at you. You could pass for a sweet 16
Oh, please.
any day, anytime.
Brian, I don't know. I just...
I don't care. Yes. Onome, I am absolutely smitten by you. You're stunning. And I am captivated by your beauty. Okay? I love our similarities and how it helps us bond, even with work. I'm willing to accommodate our differences, and hopefully we, share good memories together, and probably watch wrestling.
What will people say?
I don't care. I don't care what the society would say. The age difference, it's nothing. What matters most is what you feel about me and what you want for yourself. Hello, Anna. I just worked on Mrs. Ibere's divorce. And yeah.
What magic have you unraveled this time?
So, not only would she be having a peaceful divorce, she's going to be getting every single thing she deserves according to the law.
Perfect. You're such a gift to this firm and we are proud of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. I have a meeting with the client. Would you like to come so we can go through the case together?
Yes, I would actually, but I have something I'm working on.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just be on my way.
Do you have a hairband or something?
Right?
I like when you pull your hair up. I like to see your face. That way you're more intimidating.
Okay.
May I help you?
Happy now? Why did you do that?
I'm sorry. You're very stunning. I couldn't help myself. Yes, almost done. But it took a while, though. And please just wait for me, okay? Please, I'm coming to drive you home.
You want to drive me home?
Yes, I'm not like your mean company that is making you work when you have not recovered.
How dare you badmouth your workplace before your supervisor? Are you playing with your butt?
How can they treat my woman like that?
Won't it be late before you get back? You still need to be up early tomorrow.
No, it's fine, don't worry. I'll drive you home. You know I'll risk anything for you.
Okay.
That's my baby. I'm coming.
My mother's words, they echo in my head. That a woman's worth is only in her marriage. You'll be left behind, yet you said,
So, I can sleep well now, knowing that you're home, safe and sound. Huh?
Thank you for being such a careful chauffeur.
You're welcome. Yeah, so I need to head back home.
Yes. Oh, would you like to come inside and have something to eat first before you leave?
Do you think that's a good idea? I don't think so.
Okay then. I'll see you at work tomorrow.
Yep, Aname. Can I take you out? Not as colleagues this time.
I don't know.
There's no no here. That's a yes. I would send you the time and place.
Okay.
Or you can look for other spots, anyone you like.
If you insist.
Good night.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
The other day...
You stood me up. That's what happened. And it's not just the other day. It's been a week since this happened. Yet, you couldn't call or text to explain anything.
That's why I came. I just wanted
I don't even know what I was expecting from you.
I'm sorry. There's a client I had to personally show a proper fee. I tried telling her that I had a date with my girlfriend, but she insisted on that.
Excuse me, go back. Your girlfriend? Wait a minute, are you in a relationship?
I'm talking about you.
Oh my goodness, this guy. Has anyone ever told you how forward you are? The other day you told my colleague that we are more than friends, and now I am your girlfriend?
Onome, we're on 3 dates. That's a standard.
There you go again with these crazy calculations that make no sense. I've told you, Efe, I'm not about to be your project. Get a wife before 40 specimen.
Onome, this isn't about any project. Okay, aside the amount of times we've spent on dates, your mom loves me for you. She loves us for...
There is no us, and there is no together. You know what? I'm busy. I have a case to tidy up tonight, and I have a very long day tomorrow.
I'm busy tomorrow, but...
Good! Then maybe we should do this some other time. Honestly, I don't know what you're talking about. I still stand on the fact that the second lead did the right thing by proposing to her at the cinema.
Gosh.
It was so beautiful.
You've been speaking about this all night, even all through dinner.
That's because you refuse to agree with me.
No, you just have a crush on this guy.
What?
Yes.
No way.
That's what explains
I
it.
don't. Stop.
You are even smiling.
Hey, God. What do you mean I'm smiling?
Yes, see the way you are blushing. Do you blush like this when you're with me?
Come on, that's not true. I smile better than this for you.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Mom! Mom, what are you doing here?
And you are?
Mom, this is Brian. He's he's my colleague at work.
Your colleague?
Yes, Mom. He was just about to leave.
Is this how you're friendly with your male colleagues?
Mom, I am an adult.
So this is the reason you've been avoiding an affair? A man that is serious, who wants to give you that prestige of being a married woman. And you're fooling a boy in diapers?
Mom, please, I
have been praying for you morning and night, fasting for you, so you become something in life. But no! You're throwing yourself at a boy young enough to be your younger brother.
Mom, stop.
Don't you pity yourself? Anome? The list of your age mates, they have a child or two. But no! Is it until you turn 40, then you become an expired milk? Is that what you want? By then, no man will look at you. And that Brandon of a boy will be there chasing girls. What will he be doing? Be battling with menopause.
Mom, stop! Enough!
Enough what? Did I hear you say enough? Did I hear you? Tell me, has that Brandon boy proposed to you yet? Has he come to meet your parents? Or has he taken you to his? Look at you. Instead of you to hold a face so tightly, the man who is serious, you're there throwing yourself at a what's up boy. Hey, what's up boy, Onome? Hey, what's up boy? Look at you. It's not to your liking?
It's good, Mom. Thank you.
Tell me, What's your plan?
What plan?
Do you want to stay like this and let this year pass you by?
Mom, I haven't rejected anyone's proposal.
Good. Now you're listening to me. Another thing. Open your heart and put your trust in Efe.
I'd rather put my trust in God.
We're saying the same thing. We're saying the same thing. The Bible says, believe in me and also in my prophets. You see? So I know Efe is the chosen one from God for you. So put your trust and believe in him.
What if he doesn't propose to me? Will I be allowed to pursue my own happiness?
What is this happiness you speak of? Tell me. A woman's happiness and honor is when she has her own family. Okay? But that won't come if you don't give yourself to the man who is willing and ready to have you.
I don't know if Efe is the right man for me.
Is it because he shows up late at your date?
He's too pushy and too authoritative.
Good. You know why? That is because he is a real man. A real man. And real men lead their family and they take charge. You see the consequences of hanging around with these small boys. This is what you get. You tend to forget what a real man is like. Anyone can show up late because they are busy. Sometimes you don't even visit your father and I in months. Does that rule you out as a bad child? Oh, please. Give him some allowance, okay? Okay?
Got a woman's worth. It's only in her marriage.
Okay. Just eat your food.
Behind, yes, she said, oh, baby girl, open your eyes. Yeah, your clock is ticking right now. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes.
Jesus, Nicole!
How did you get in here?
Wow!
My goodness.
How did you get in?
I know where you keep your spare keys, remember?
This your see finish done too much.
Oh my God, stop
Girl,
it.
honestly, I've missed you. I've missed you. Oh, you would have thought that your presence would be so felt.
You did?
Yes, how you glowing, oh.
You and Brian has been spending a lot of time together these days.
And I guess you have no problem with it.
Girl, if you're happy, then duh.
Nicole, to be honest, I'm confused.
What?
If he seems very serious about me, well, according to my mom, and there's Brian. He likes me. And I have been leading him on, so I don't know what to do.
You should choose your happiness, my love. Follow your heart. Yes, that's what you should do. Your mother won't live with any of them. You will.
O'Shea, motivational speaker.
Stop it.
All right, enough about me and my problems. Let's talk about your trip. Bring the gist, oh yeah?
Oh, baby girl. You know Abuja now.
Hey.
Abuja is that city.
This girl.
They are who do you think they are?
They don't use enjoyment, finish you.
I didn't tell you. Can't you see I'm glowing?
You're glowing. Like, that was the first thing I said.
Let me blush a bit.
I hope you're enjoying the food.
Of course. It reminds me of my mom's.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you miss her so much. Next time she comes into town, I hope she can join us for dinner.
Definitely, sir. See, she can't wait to see Onome. She talks about her non-stop.
Oh. Wow. So tell me, how are things going on between both of you?
Well, she says she's taking her time, but we are dating.
Oh.
You see, we spend much time with each other, and I plan to spend the rest of my life with her. And I hope this can serve as me officially asking for permission.
Of course!
Thank you,
You do
ma.
have our permission and our blessings.
Thank
Go
you.
ahead.
Thank you, sir.
This is good to know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mommy will be very happy about it.
Of course, she's elated. She's so happy. Of course. You know what? It has always been her dream. So what you're going to do for us is fill us in every detail, every information. Let's know.
In fact, this is sumptuous. The condiments well blended.
Oh, I like it that you like it.
Thank you.
There's more in the kitchen.
Oh, thank you, ma. You can say that again.
Onome, your mood doesn't seem good. Is everything okay?
If he wants to marry me,
But you already know his intentions.
this is different. He told my parents to seek their permission.
Good for him. You're with Brian now. So I'm even surprised you gave him that permission to ask your parents such a thing. Don't tell me you've...
I guess I'm about to start my own family.
Family. What about Brian?
Nicole, I have to do what's good for me.
I know you're with Brian now, and you've never said any good thing about Effie, the red canopy guy.
If he wants to marry me, Brian is too young to even understand what he wants.
What is this about? I know you're under pressure, but...
Pressure? Nicole, did you say pressure? Do you even know anything about pressure? Huh? Your family, your parents are very supportive of you. Even when you got pregnant out of wedlock and you gave birth to a child, they were still there. They were still supportive. And you're here telling me about pressure?
You want me to feel bad for having good and supportive parents? Onome, I am a struggling single mother. And you think you can compare us?
Nicole.
I don't know what's going on. But I pray you don't wake up one day hating yourself for the decisions you made.
Hey, baby. What's wrong? Why are you not talking to me? You're not picking my calls.
Nothing. I've just been swamped. These cases
That's why I'm here to help you, babe.
What if someone walks in on us like this?
Come on, baby.
Brian, stop. I'd like us to maintain our professional relationship when in the office, please. I believe Nicole forwarded a mail to you today.
Yes,
Work on it immediately. The client is not very patient. You may leave.
Yes, ma'am.
That a woman's worth
Leave.
It's only in a marriage you'll be left behind. Yes, she said, oh baby girl, open your eyes. Yeah, your clock is ticking right now. Oh baby girl,
Brian, you didn't tell me you were coming.
That's because you hardly pick my calls. And you didn't seem comfortable talking in the office. So I decided to come down here. Meanwhile, did you get into a fight with Nicole?
Just a little argument.
Anyways, I decided to come check up on you. And I know how much you love Nicole.
Brian, we need to talk.
Oh, okay. I'm all ears. Why have you been avoiding me? Did I do anything wrong?
We can't continue to see each other.
Sorry?
This, whatever it is we're doing, has to stop.
This is whatever to you.
I told you this was weird from the onset.
Weird. Yes, I know you gave me a list of what the society expects from you as a woman. But I can't recall you denying your feelings for me.
Brian, please, don't make this more difficult than it already is. Please.
Is this about the other guy you've been hanging out with?
What?
Aname, I'm not stupid. I know every single thing. I just thought for once you would pick your happiness.
I need to settle down and start my own family. I'm not getting any younger, Brian.
I'm not good enough for that.
I never said that.
That's what you're saying.
I never said that. You're just young. I mean, take a look at yourself. You're way too young, and I hope that someday you...
Don't, please. Don't start this age thing. Don't manipulate me, okay? Don't make it sound like you're doing this for me. You shouldn't have been here in the first place. Have a nice day.
Brian.
So, Oneme, your supervisor, his service is almost done. And is his report looking good?
Yes, sir. He's trying.
Well, I came to remind you that I will need that report in a month's time.
You have nothing to worry about here.
Yeah, I go stand with you.
Cool.
Yeah, you fight. Yeah, I go fight with you. Yeah. Against all odds, yeah, nah. Oh, baby, you were all that I was and need. Oh, baby, you were all that I was and need. Yeah, baby, you were all that I want and need. Oh, baby, you were all that I want. So everywhere you go, everything you do, yeah, I could stay with you. Even if you go south, even if you go left, yeah, I could stay with you.
This is good. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, they will need to sign here and here.
Okay.
This document is very important. Without these signatures, it's null and void. Okay? Right.
But what about the client in Naija?
Mom?
Yes, Daddy.
Efe, what are you doing here?
I brought him. I know when you usually close from work, so I brought him.
Onome, since I had dinner with you and your family, I have loved you. And I knew I wanted to be with you immediately. I know I have made mistakes along the line. I have worked on them, and I'm still working on it.
Efe, are you really doing this?
Onome, I'm overwhelmed at work, and I need to rush back. I can't wait any longer. What I'm actually saying is that I love you so deeply, and I want you in my life.
Efe,
Onome, will you marry me?
What are you waiting for? Say yes. Collect the ring.
Please.
Onome, say yes. Yes, say yes.
Is it yes?
Say yes. My daughter is getting married.
And I couldn't believe it, that you're the one my heart wants. I saw you first and I couldn't believe it. You're the only one for me. I know the lie. Many obstacles to fight. I know a lie. Only odds are against us. But if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. And if you
Congratulations.
fight, yeah, I could fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you.
Thank you.
Against all odds,
I'm happy for you.
yeah, I could fight for you.
I'm your best friend, you know, and I will always support you.
thank you so much, Nicole. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Please, let's not fight anymore.
It's okay. It's all in the past now. Seems you've made a choice after all. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. At least it has a good taste.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Can we just... I missed you.
Same here, darling.
And I love you.
Love you too. Welcome back.
Thank you. So tell me, how are you and Mr. Wright?
We're taking things slow.
Oh.
You know we need to consider season first.
Of course. I wish you the best.
Thank you, my love.
Now I feel lighter.
As it should.
Hello, Ma. I am done with the tasks you asked me to do today. And I've also forwarded the mail to the client. I would be on my way. Thank you.
Thank you, Brian. And Brian,
Yes, Ma.
Barrister Daniel has been checking on your progress. I told him you're doing great. YNC will be impressed with your recommendation.
Oh, okay.
Brian, Barrister Daniel will have you know that should you change your mind, Dan and Co will be willing to retain you in this company.
I don't think there's any chance of that happening. I know some employees in this firm can't wait to get rid of me. Good night, Ma.
Against all odds, yeah, if you fight, yeah, I go fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I go stand with you. Yeah, if you fight, yeah, I go fight with you.
Who's that?
That woman that sells fabric now in my shop. Have you forgotten?
Oh, yes, I remember. How is she?
She's fine, but do you know what? we're going to get your wedding ashwabi from her. You can also get your bridal materials from her too. In fact, let me even call her.
Mom, wait.
What is it?
Are we not rushing this?
Nini, this is what we've been waiting for. This is what we wanted.
Mom, what if...
Mm-hmm. What if what?
What if I don't marry Ife?
God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. How can you say that? Stop saying things like that. It's not nice. You must marry Efe and wipe away the shame from my face. Did you hear me?
I'm just wondering when I'll ever be enough for you. Before I got admission to study law, you drilled me so hard that our relationship went sour. As soon as I got into school, we became best of friends.
No, man. What are you saying?
When I graduated, you became pushy because you wanted me to get a job. Then I got a job, and you seemed satisfied. After that, you started nagging me because you wanted me to get a man. Now, I have a man, and I'm curious. I want to know what happens if I get married tomorrow and I don't have a child, or if my career flops.
Everything I have done is for you.
No, Mom. Everything I have done is for you. You do all of these things to satisfy yourself. I never wanted to study law, and I clearly do not want to marry Ife, but you keep pushing.
Stop being an ungrateful child. Do not. Don't. That you command respect today at your workplace is because of me. It's because of everything I've done for you. It's because of me.
You know what? You're right. You're right, Mom. If not for you, I wouldn't command the respect that I do today. But one thing is sure. I would have been happy. I wouldn't have to live a day wishing you were not my mother. It's fine. Carry on. Carry on with the marriage plans. You need to brag to the society how perfect your daughter is while she languishes in sadness. Carry on.
My mother's words, they echo in my head. That a woman's worth is only in a marriage. You'll be left behind, yes, she said. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. Yeah, your clock is ticking right now. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. She's got me searching, looking for love in the wrong places. She's got me searching, looking for love in the wrong places. Thank God I found you. Ooh. Yeah, you came and you light up my world. Thank God I found you. Oh. Yeah, you came and you light up my world. Yeah. Oh, baby, you were all that I want and need. Oh, baby, you were all that I want and need. Yeah, baby, you were all that I want and need. Oh, baby, you were all that I want. So everywhere you go, everything you do, yeah, I could stay with you. Even if you go south, even if you go left, yeah, I could stay with you. I saw you first and I couldn't believe it, that you're the one my heart wants. I saw you first and I couldn't believe it, you're the only one for me. I no go lie, many obstacles be fighting. Hey, I no go lie, only odds are against us. But if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. And if you fight, yeah, I go fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I go stand.
Why did you do this to me?
Against all odds, yeah,
Why did you turn your back on me?
and if you stand, yeah, I go stand with you.
What are you doing here, Brian?
And do you know how much it breaks my heart to see you sad? Why did he even propose to you so hurriedly? Onome, does he even know you? Does he know any single thing about you apart from your birthday? Does he know your likes? Does he know your dislikes? Onome, if I can remember, you said you wanted a cinema proposal, right? Am I right? I would never forgive this guy for doing this. I would never ever forgive this guy for doing this. Onome, why can't you just choose me? Why can't you just choose me, my love? For crying out loud, you're just a few years older than I am. Even if you're 5, 10, 15, 20 years older, who cares? Onome, why can't we just build this face together? Why can't we just make this dream that you have, why can't we just make it a reality? No, we can do this. Onome, I love you. Don't you love me enough? Look at me and tell me you don't love me. I'm sorry, I should leave. Onome, how come you came to work so early? I woke up and I didn't see you beside me.
There is a lot of work to do in the office, Brian.
About last night?
Brian, we are in the office, okay?
You guys are here already.
Hi, Cole.
Hi, Nicole. Brian was just about to leave. I have a lot of work today and I need to finish my task early because I'm having dinner with my fiancé.
Are you sure everything is okay?
So this is it.
Brian, please.
Are we going to pretend like nothing happened last night?
Can you reduce your voice? No one is pretending here.
So why are you still wearing this?
You expect me to throw up my engagement because of a one-night fling?
Fling?
Yes. Look, Brian. Last night happened, and it shouldn't have. But this is adulthood. We don't make decisions spontaneously.
I can't believe what you're saying. Onome, you used me.
What?
Yes.
You showed up at my doorstep.
And you grabbed the opportunity to quickly enjoy what you've been missing.
How dare you? How dare you disrespect me like that?
Seeing how passionate you were. Seeing how pleasurable it was for you. How you were screaming my name when I was giving you head. Jumping on me like on honey rabbits. It's obvious your old cargo fiancé is not up to the task. And I won't have you knocking at my door the next few months. You know why? Because I don't do side checks.
Are you stupid? Get out! Get out! You want me to kick you out? Get out! Get the fuck out of my office! Get out!
Good afternoon, sir.
Brian, what's the problem? I have looked for you all day long, and I was told you accompanied a senior lawyer to the court.
Oh, yes, sir. We just got back, sir.
Well, your report came in.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's quite unfortunate, Brian. You were so zealous and enthusiastic when you came in here. So, what went wrong? Your performance is terrible.
Sir, I think there's a mix-up somewhere, sir. Sir, every case you've given to me, I've handled it with dexterity and so much professionalism. I even stood in for one of the senior lawyers when he was ill, and the other person when he was on leave. Sir, there's a mix-up somewhere, sir.
But your supervisor's report beats any of your words. Yes, even Gab and company cannot retain you anymore because they can't accept the review.
Sir, what about the recommendation?
Well, that would have been a compensation, but you declined our offer. Yes, so there is no job offer now. Well, you still have 1 month left.
3 weeks, sir.
3 weeks. Okay, I am willing to take another report if there is any remarkable improvement.
Thank you, sir.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Nicole, Onome shot me out of my office.
I don't understand.
Yes, you heard me. Onome pushed me out.
What happened?
You know how hard I work in this office?
Yes.
You know how I enslave myself for you? For even the top officials in this law firm. Onome had the mind, Onome had the effrontery to give me a negative review on my report, yes. She just allowed her personal feelings just get into her head, and you know how this recommendation means a lot to me. You know how my career is hanging on that thread, and then Onome had the mind to cut it off. I can't explain it.
What has come over Onome?
I don't know. Okay, let me just tell you. We had sex. Yes, we did. It felt like she used me, okay? And I confronted her. And she said I disrespected her, and then she just... Onome just let her personal feelings just... I don't... Then, is it fair? Nicole, is this fair?
This isn't nice, please. Can you confront her over this?
It doesn't just make any sense. God, this is crazy. I'm losing my mind.
Hey babe, how you doing? You wouldn't believe how busy I've been today. Is the wedding planner not here yet?
We waited for 2 hours. She had another meeting.
But why are women so impatient? Doesn't she have a working husband?
Maybe her husband respects her time. You couldn't put a call through to say what was holding you up?
Babe, that won't make a difference. A call will not make me be here faster.
Right. You're correct. Well, I don't think this suits me.
You want us to get another design?
You should give it to someone else. I'm sure it will fit better.
Excuse me?
Ife, I don't love you. I never loved you, and I will never love you. This whole thing was wrong from the start. You had a script to bring to life. I had a mom to impress. We don't love each other. If we get married, we're setting up ourselves for a lifetime of sadness and doom.
Onome, please, we can work on this. I've even discussed with your mom.
Not everything can be worked upon, Efe. Love is not some robotics assignment or one of your estates. And you're being so calculative and thinking that everything can be worked upon by some strategy or plan isn't helping either.
Onome, please.
Efe, I can't marry you. A lot is at stake. My true love, my happiness, my friendship, my life is at stake. I can't. I genuinely wish you true love. Yes, I hope you can find love. And this time around, without your perfect strategy. I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Hello?
Nicole, I want to right my wrongs. I need to apologize to Brian.
Onome, can I be honest with you? You really need to do some healing first. Look, you never had a good relationship with your mom while growing up, and that's really affected you. You were your mom's only child, and she put so much pressure on you. Remember, you were supposed to be an actress, and then you studied law because of her. Well, let's thank God you're doing well in that era. But my love, you really, really need to do some healing. She never taught you to know yourself very well while growing up.
Before I heal, Brian will be gone.
Brian is in love with you, and he's not moving on anytime soon.
Are you sure?
Yes. I was on my way to you.
I guess you've heard. And I know you're very disappointed and ashamed of me, but I tried.
as a mother. I made mistakes. I pushed beyond unhealthy limits. I pressured you unnecessarily. I even controlled your life as if they were mine. I'm sorry. I traumatized you in so many ways. Please forgive me. Forgive me, Onome, please. When you left, I couldn't even sleep. I couldn't sleep, Onome. I could not. I wasn't able to even open up to your dad. You know why? Because I was ashamed and I was wounded. Onome. Onome, I failed you. I failed you. I'm sorry. What kind of useless mother am I? I even joined the world to criticize you. I couldn't even shield you. I couldn't even shield my own child. Even if you're not able to achieve everything and accomplish everything, I'm okay. You made me so proud. I'm proud of you. You know why? Because you're my child. You're the fruit of my woman, man. Please, forgive me. Forgive your useless mother, please.
No, you're not useless. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for acknowledging that I'm enough.
You are always enough. You are always enough. You will always be enough for me. You will always be enough. You are my child, my beloved child. You will always be my child. Please, forgive me.
I forgive you.
I beg you, forgive your useless mother. Please forgive me.
You're not useless.
Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Please, I'm sorry. God. I'm sorry. Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right, I'll have it forwarded to your email. Yes, please. Yeah, bye.
Done with this. So, can I do this here? This and yeah, come on.
Brian?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for working so hard to execute all tasks we were given. It's sad that your time with us here is coming to an end very soon.
I'm grateful for the experience, for the opportunity to work with professionals like you. I'm grateful for the good, the bad, and the ugly experiences. Thank you.
Brian. I also want to apologize for everything. I am sincerely sorry.
I heard you revised my reports.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It was the right thing to do. And you deserve much more than that.
No, ma'am. I want to apologize for the other day. The kind of words I used on you when I was angry. They were hurtful, derogatory, and condescending. No genuine man would use those kind of words on a woman that he loves so much. I'm so sorry.
Brian?
Yes.
Do you think if YNC doesn't keep you too occupied, we can catch the next Marvel movie coming out this December.
Is that you asking me out on a date?
I'm just trying my luck. You are way too good for me.
You know what? I would resign from this firm if they keep me too busy to accept such an offer from an amazing woman like you.
Fine. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please.
It's okay.
I don't want to lose you.
I'm here.
I'm sorry for everything.
No good thing comes easy on me. I'm sorry too. I will endure the pain, the hurt, if it keeps you in my hands like this all the time.
I love you.
I love you.
My brain. God, I missed you. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Can't believe I almost lost you.
You see, I never knew Onome here loves movies. I've missed a whole lot.
Mommy, I think we can make up for all these times that we've missed, all those good times. And when I say that, how about a movie night weekend? Yes, with you, Daddy, and my baby here.
Wow.
Definitely. Mom, Dad, what do you think?
Yes.
Of course. Of course. Definitely. I think it's going to help us to bond even better.
I agree.
Yeah.
Trust me when I say it's one of Onome's favorite movies. Yeah.
For real?
Yes, it is.
Is it a Marvel?
Why don't you just wait for the surprise?
Oh my goodness. Oh, why do I have to be the one to get surprised?
Just wait.
Okay. I'm gonna be calm. Mom, are you okay?
Are you good?
Do you want water?
Just water. Take water. Take some.
I'm fine.
You're sure?
I'm fine.
All right, then.
What's going on?
Then, she is fine. So, we should toast to Brian's success.
Yes.
2 months of promotion is exceptional.
Thank you.
It is.
So, we will be expecting more. Toast to Brian's success.
Oh. Wow.
To Brian's success. Congratulations.
To our success.
I saw you first and I couldn't believe it. You're the only one for me. I know
Okay,
life.
what's that?
Many obstacles we fight.
What?
I know lie.
What are you
odds are against us. But if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. And if you fight, yeah, I could fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. Against all odds, yeah, if you fight, yeah, I could fight for you. And if you stand, yeah, I could stand with you. Yeah, if you fight, yeah, I could fight with you. Yeah. Against all odds,
Baby,
yeah,
thank you for coming into my life.
Oh, baby, you were all that I
You've been a source of strength, and I want to use this moment to ask you to be my wife.
Say it.
My mother's words, they echo in my head. That a woman's worth is only in her marriage. You'll be left behind, yes, she said. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. Yeah, your clock is ticking right now. Oh, baby girl, open your eyes. She's got me searching, looking for love in the wrong places. She's got me searching, looking for love